Today we are going to change the exhaust muffler on a Briggs and Stratton 093J O2 engine for a Viking MB 253.1 T Lawnmower. Firstly, remove the guard that encloses the exhaust muffler. Remove the first screws using an 8mm socket and then the top screw using an 8mm socket. You can now remove the guard. You will now need to remove the two screws holding the exhaust in place. Replace the exhaust. Secure with the two screws. Now return the guard with the three screws. That's how to change the exhaust muffler on a Briggs and Stratton engine for the Viking Lawnmower. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.